Hello, I'm Rahim from Avarai Technologies, and today I'll be showing you all you need to know about the Meeting Capsule Pro. So first, what's included is this power brick and this cable USB-C to USB-C with an USB-A adapter. So we'll plug this power brick in and turn it on, and then we'll plug this in into the DC 12 volts. Okay, once it's plugged in, it will have an LED indicator. Next, we'll plug this USB-A into the laptop. Then we'll plug this USB-C into the USB out. Okay, now that the camera is connected to the laptop. Okay, so hello, this will be the output for the camera. So on the bottom we can see the panoramic view, and on top we can see the active speaker feature of this camera. So I'll pass it to Shahril to speak.
Hi, my name is Shahril and I am speaker 2.
Hi, my name is Fatin. I'm speaker 3. Now we are testing Meeting Capsule Pro.
Okay, so for the maximum number of people on top is 3 people. Okay, so this is the co-camera, and we can turn it on by long pressing this button for 5 seconds, and the indicator will turn on. Now that it's turned on, it will indicate blue. When the indicator turns green, it means that it's trying to connect to the Meeting Capsule Pro. And when its indicator is red, that means it's connected and we can use it. Okay, so we have the co-camera here, and I'll move it around to show the display. So as you can see, it will display on the top left of the screen. So for this co-camera, we usually use it to showcase chairman, or we could use it to show products, or we could use it to focus on the current presenter on the front of the meeting room. Okay, I'll now be demonstrating the whiteboard stickers using the co-camera. So I'll put the whiteboard stickers here and here to cover the whole whiteboard. So now you can see that the co-camera will focus only on the whiteboard and I'm out of focus. Okay, so now I'll be using the whiteboard stickers again to only highlight a certain part of the whiteboard. Okay, as you can see, it will now just highlight the Meeting Capsule Pro. Okay, now I'll be demonstrating the mic. So I'll be going around the room and speaking. Okay, so now I'll go to this spot and then test the mic. Hello, 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 can you hear me? My name is Rahim. And then as you can see, it will now focus on me. So now I'll be going around again. So now I'll test on this spot. Hello, 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 can you hear me? As you can see, it will detect my voice and focus on me. So I'll be going around again. Hello, 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 can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Yes, you can. Okay, now I'll be demonstrating it from a certain distance outside of the room and test whether it can hear me. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, as you can see, it now detects my voice and it will focus on me, even I'm outside of the room. Okay, now I'll be testing the speakers.
Hi, I'm Fatin from Avarai Technologies. Now we are testing the speaker.
Okay, thank you, Fatin. We can also see the indicator to control the volume on the Meeting Capsule Pro. Okay, so now we'll be extending the microphone and speaker with the M3 speakerphone. Now all I need is a daisy chain cable to connect between the Meeting Capsule Pro and M3 speakerphone. Now connect the daisy chain cable to the port labeled link on the M3 speakerphone and connect it to the Meeting Capsule Pro, which is also labeled link. Okay, so this is our setup. So if I speak from here, it will detect on this mic But if I move somewhere along here, and if I speak, it can also detect from this mic. So let's now test the speakers. Okay, as you can hear, it will come out from that speaker and it also come out from this speaker. So I will now control the volume from this speaker, which can also control that volume. As you can see, it can control the volumes from this speaker and that speaker. You can also mute this mic and that mic just from this button. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this video finds you helpful. So if you have any more questions, you can contact us on our website or you can directly WhatsApp us. Thank you.